I'm Jennifer. I've been with Aspire for Her for almost 6 months now, and it's been one of the most enriching and eye-opening journeys of my life. In these 6 months, I've worked on multiple campaigns, led several projects, hosted Instagram live sessions, hosted a webinar with a very prominent lady from the marketing field, which is something that I'm so interested in. And I don't think I would have gotten this opportunity anywhere else. And this all just led me to become a more confident individual, ready to take on any challenges that come my way. Besides this, I feel the best part about Aspire for Her is that I had seen my ideas take shape here, and it just proved to me that good ideas become great ideas when you share them. So all I want to say is that Aspire for Her has helped me to aspire for greater heights and has led me to aspire to be the best version of myself.
Aspire for Her has honestly been one of the best things that's ever happened to me. Right from getting to meet so many new people, to being able to interact with some amazing mentors and get their advice on how I can go forward in my career, the experience here has been incredible. Through the opportunities provided to me by this platform, I have been able to showcase so many of my skills, as well as learn and develop several new ones. Right from getting access to some amazing learning material, to being able to sit across from top industry leaders and learn from their experiences, to getting to know about job openings in the industry and how I can prepare myself and apply for them, this platform has given me all of it. I cannot stress enough on how much this platform has enabled me to go further in my career. I sincerely urge each and every one of you to join us at Aspire for Her and take that next step towards your dream career.
So I've been a part of Aspire for Her for a month now, and I can already see how much positivity and fulfillment it has brought to me. I'm so happy that AFH has given me the opportunity to work towards a cause so important in today's day and age. It is a platform that provides countless opportunities for women. Our peer community is so empowering, so friendly and so appreciative. Everyone is just pushing one another and it's just one big family. I feel so lucky to be a part of Aspire for Her, and I would only want to encourage more and more women to join this and be a part of this exciting journey.
When I was offered the role of a content lead for AFH, I honestly didn't think that I could do it. Mostly because I'd never actually taken on a position of leadership that was this extensive and of this extent. And I was really scared, but I'm so glad that I accepted, and I'm so glad that I stuck to it, because it's been one of the most satisfying, enriching, and the most educational experience of my life. It's taught me so much about myself, so much about just how much change you can affect if you want to. It's taught me how to create tangible impact. It's taught me how to manage people and projects, and honestly, more than any of this, it's given me a community of people and individuals and mentors that transcend time zones, transcend global boundaries, and transcend cultures in a way that I think will last a lifetime. So I do think that it's one of the best experiences that I've had till now, and it's been one of the only possible experiences where I have had the opportunity to create tangible impact and to actually carry out the projects that I want to with the help of a wonderful team and community. So AFH is really special to me.
Hi, I'm Srishti, and I've been a part of AFH for the last 5 months. It has been an absolutely amazing journey. I literally went from not being able to speak properly in public to hosting webinars, from not bothering about my career to realizing how important financial independence is for a woman. It's been amazing. The amazing role models that we have and the absolutely fantastic peer community is just great. You can talk to anybody about anything, and I love being a part of AFH, and it's become like a family for me.